Okay, hi everybody. This is my website project. It was really challenging for me, but we got there. We finished. So, um, I, being from Southern California, wanted to make a website for petition to get In-N-Out in Idaho Falls. Um, In-N-Out is not a brand that is doesn't have chains. Private parties can't open chains. The company itself owns every single restaurant outright. So they are very particular about where their restaurants go. That's why they are so slow getting into new places. So I thought making a website about wanting an In-N-Out in Idaho Falls would bring attention to this community for the company. The first part is just a petition. I wanted to keep my website extremely clean. In-N-Out has three basic colors: red, white, and yellow, and so I wanted to kind of stay in that clean white look that they have inside their stores. So I talked about different aspects of the community. I talked about how they help their communities. They actually do a lot of service projects in the areas that their restaurants are in, and they have two different organizations, one for child abuse and one for sex trafficking. And 100% of the proceeds go to those organizations. So it's really cool. They actually do a lot for their communities. And I wanted to highlight that because sometimes I think people just see a big business coming in and they don't see what those big businesses can do to help them. So I really like In-N-Out's mission. This is straight from their website and it's awesome. I also wanted to talk about where In-N-Out gets its supplies from. Because they are California local, they do support a lot of California businesses. So I talk about where they get their produce, their meat, their fries. It's actually from a local ranch in California, and so that's where it comes from no matter what. And then their potatoes are from Idaho, Idaho Spuds. So it's kind of nice to bring it back, and they support Idaho local farms as well. And then here's my call to action button. Sign the petition to get In-N-Out into our community. And the last thing I talked about is just information, that your information is protected. If you sign this, you're just verifying a name and what state you live in to verify that you live in Idaho. And then also if you would like to contact your local leaders to gain their attention of wanting a In-N-Out in your community. So that is my design of a website.